Keep it inside, they said. Talk, talk, tick, tock. Oh, too late. I tried, I really, really tried to keep my cool, keep it all inside. A tiny box, a little jar to hide my heart from where you are. I put a lid on, tied a bow, said stay in there, don't let it show. But feelings aren't good at following rules. Mine, they're emotional fools. The box started shaking, the jar started steaming. My poor little heart was loudly dreaming of your smile, your laugh, your eyes. Boom, no more holding back the prize. They said keep your feelings to yourself. I tried so hard, put them on a shelf, but they exploded everywhere. Now you're covered in my love, I swear. Glitter hearts and gooey stares, cute confetti everywhere. Adoration on your hair, and baby, I'm not sorry. Sorry, not sorry. There's sparkles on your shoulder now.